Hello everyone, welcome to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School. I am Vallavi Gaikwad and I am teaching math subject. So children, open your canopies, page number 62. As we have started in last period addition of three numbers. In that we had seen exercise 6, 7, 8. Now we shall study exercise 9, that is story sums. Now see here, first sum. ABBA has 236 stamps in one album and 124 stamps in another album. How many stamps does she have in all? Now, see here, number of stamps in one album means she has one album. In that, how many stamps are there? 236. She is having 236. Then, number of stamps in another album. Then in another album she is having 124. Then total number of stamps, how much? So here we want to do addition. So 6 plus 4, that is 10. Carry 1 in tens place and 0 in ones place. Then 3 plus 2 is 5 and this one 6. Then 2 plus 1 is 3. So answer is 360. In this way you can do the story sums. So just practice in this way. Once more I will tell. ABBA has 236 stamps in one album. So number of stamps in one album is 236. Then and 124 stamps in another album. Then number of stamps in another album is 124. How many stamps does she have in all? So total number of stamps there are 360. So here we have done addition. 6 plus 4 is 10. Carry 1 in tens place and 0 in ones place. Then 3 plus 2 is 5 and 1 6. So 2 plus 1 is 3. Now we shall go to the next. So this remaining story sums you can do practice at home also. You can practice in your rough notebook. So now we shall go to the 3-digit subtraction. Now see here, take out 100 sheets, 10 strips and 1 slips to make 320. Now subtract 110 from 320. For these take away 100 sheets and 1 strip, 10 slip. Now you can see here, this is as I had taught before also. This is 100 and this is 200. This is 300. Means 1, 2, 3. These are 300. Then 300 sheets and 2 1 slips. This is of 20. 10 and 10, 20. So 320. Now what you want to do? We want to take out 100 sheets, 10 strips and 1 slips to make 320. Now see. You are left with 200 sheets and 110 strips, that is 210. So 320 minus 110 is equals to 220. Then see your example. In this you can see 100 tens ones, 320 minus 110. So in ones column there is 0. So 0 minus 0 is 0. Then tens 2 minus 1 is 1. Then 3 minus 1 is 2. So we have done here minus. As we have seen in 2-digit number also, subtraction means minus, cut. So 0 minus 0 is 0. Then 2 minus 1. How you will do? 1, 2. So from 2 you want to cut 1. You will cut 1. How much is remain? 1. then 3, 1, 2, 3. From this 3 you will cut 1. So 1, 2. 2 is the answer. In this way you want to do subtraction. So here you can see 300, 320. This is 2 tens and 0 ones. There is nothing, so 0 ones. So 300, from this 300 you want to cut 110. So from this you will cut 300, 200, 300. So this is 300 and 320. This 110 and this is 210, that is 20. So this you want to minus 110. So 1 of 100 you will cut 100 and 110. In this way you will cut this, and so you will get the answer, that is 2 tens. This 2. How much is remaining? 2 sheets. Okay. 1, 2. 2 sheets means 200. 200 and 1 tens. So the answer is 210. So here we can, just we have seen here, subtract the ones. First we want to subtract ones. 0 ones minus 0 1 is equals to 0 ones. Then write 0 in the ones column. Then step 2, subtract the tens. 2 tens, 1 minus 110, that is 110. Write 1 in the tens column. Then subtract the hundreds. 300 minus 100 is equals to 200. So write 2 in the hundreds column. In this way we are going to see. Now we will see exercise 10. Now subtract. Now what we want to do? Subtract means we want to cut. Now 568 minus 324. Now from 562 you want to cut 324. Then how you will do? Now this is 8. 8 minus 4. You want to cut from 8. You want to cut 4. Now you will draw your circle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now how many circles are here? 8 circles. From this 8 you want to cut 4 circles. How many? 4 circles. So 1, 2, 3, 4. How many you have cut? 4. Then how many are remain? 1, 2, 3, 4. So your answer is 4. Then next 6 minus 2. Now you want to draw 6 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then from this 6 you want to cut how many circles? 2. Okay. 6 minus 2, 1, 2. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 are remaining. Then 5 minus 3. From 5 you want to cut 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From 5 how much you will cut? 3. 1, 2, 3. So how many remain? 1, 2. So your answer is 244. In this way you are going to subtract. Whatever the number is given, minus means you will cut that much number. Now 2 minus 0 is 2. Then 9 minus 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 are there. From this 9, how much you want to cut? 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How much remain? 1. Then 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. 1. Then 4 minus 0 is 4. 4 minus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. From this 4, how much you want to cut? 2. So 1, 2. How many remain? 1, 2. Then 3 minus 1. 1, 2, 3. From this, how much you want to minus? 1. So remaining 1, 2. Then 6 minus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now in this 6 minus 3, you want to cut how much? 3. So 1, 2, 3. How many are remain? 1, 2, 3. Good. 3. Now 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 minus 1, you will cut only 1. From 8, you will cut 1. How many are remaining? Correct. 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then 7 minus 5. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 is remain. This way you will do. So then 9 minus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now 9 you want to cut 2. 1, 2. So how many are remain? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Then next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 minus 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5 minus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nine minus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 minus 1. So how many remain? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 6 minus 6. Now 6 minus 6. What will come? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 minus 6. 6 is there. You want to cut 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Means what is remain? Nothing. That is 0. 6 minus 6 is 0. Then 9 minus 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 minus 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many remain? 2. Then 9 minus 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then 9 minus 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2. 0 minus 0, 0. 6 minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 is remain. Then 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 minus 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. From 8 you want to remove 5. How many are remain? 3. So 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From 9, how much you want to cut? 4. Then 9 minus 4, 5. Then 8 minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 minus 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3. Write down this. Then 4 minus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. From this you want to remove how much? 3. 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 minus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Minus 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From this 8, how much you want to remove? 7. Because 8 minus 7 means you want to cut 7. So what will remain? Correct, 1 will remain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many are remaining? 1. Then 8 minus 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you want to cut 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2 is remain. And 8 minus 5. 3. From 8 when you will remove 5, 3 will remain. Then 4 minus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 minus 1, 2, 3. 3. Then 9 minus 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5, 6. Minus 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many are remaining? 1, 2. Then 5 minus 2, 3. Then 9 minus 5. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now from this 9 you want to remove 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many are remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 2 minus 0, 2. Then from 7 minus 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. So write down this. Then 9 minus 4. How you will do 9 minus 4? Now 9 minus 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 minus 4. From this 9 you want to remove 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then how many remain? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 6 minus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And 5 minus 2, 5. 5 minus 2, 3. If the number is short, you can do immediately also. But if the number is big, like 9 minus 4, 8 minus 7, so you do the rough work also in this way and you can solve the sum. Now 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5 is 3. Then 6 minus 2 is 4. Then 5 minus 3 is 2. and 5 minus 3, 3 minus 2, 1, 4 minus 2, 2, then 3 minus 0, 3, 8 minus 7, 1, 3 minus 1, 2. I will go for the next. Q. 8 minus 6. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 minus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2 is remain. Then here also same. 8 minus 6, 2. Then 2 minus 1, 1. Then 5 minus 4, 1. 4 minus 3, 1. 3 minus 2, 1. See here, 5 fingers. From 5 you want to cut 4. How much remain? 1. So 1. Then 4 minus 3, 1 is remain. So 3 minus 2, 1 is remain. This way you can do. Then 7 minus 7 means 7 are there. 7 balls are there. You are going to cut 7 balls. How many remain? 0. So 0. Then 0 minus 0, 0. Then 7 minus 4, 3. Now 3 minus 2, 1. 4 minus 2, 2. Then 8 minus 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now tell me 8 minus 5, correct, 3. So what you will do? You will cut how many? 6, 5 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many remain? 1, 2, 3. 3. Then here 8 minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Then 4 minus 1. Correct. 3. Then 9 minus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 minus 1. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 8 minus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From this you want to remove 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6 minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Then 8 as it is. Then 3 minus 2, 1. 4 minus 4 is 0. And 6 minus 3 is 3. Then 9 minus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 minus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many remain? 1, 2, 3. 7 as it is 8 and 7. So in this way we had seen subtraction sum of 3 numbers. 948 minus 115. So first you will draw from ones column, that is 8 minus 5 is 3, 4 minus 1 is 3, 9 minus 1 is 8. That is 8 hundreds, 3 tens, 3 ones. Then 8 minus 1 is 7. 6 minus 4 is 2. And here there is no number. So as it is 8 you will write. So 8 hundreds, 2 tens, 7 ones. Then 3 minus 2 is 1. 4 minus 4 is 0. 6 minus 3 is 3. So 3 hundreds, 0 tens and 1 ones. Then 9 minus 6 is 3. 8, there is no number. So 8 as it is you will write, and 7 also as it is. So 7 hundreds, 8 tens, 3 ones. So write down fast. So in this way we had started with subtraction of 3 numbers. So we have completed exercise 10. So whatever is finished today, just go through with that. Next period we shall start subtraction of 3 digits with regrouping. Thank you.